Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, let's tap on it, and since we are in the standard photo mode we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. And as you can see, let's take a look at this option bar, and on the second position we've got all of options which are connected to the timer. Right now the timer is off, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the timer, just tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick 10 seconds. Right now it is highlighted, so it means that it has been applied to the camera. We can go back in order to check. Let's tap on shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option, for example 3 seconds, and the same situation. Right now it is counting down from 3. If you want to turn off the timer, just tap on this clock icon and your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.